Here comes Stefan. Here. So what do you think of it, TJ?
I mean, it's beautiful.
Little under geared, huh? Here comes Stefan. A little punchy, I think I already said that.
I bet Stefan could do this in the candy.
Woo!
Yeah, Stefan.
This is steep.
It's steep.
Whatever you think for
Easy for you, right, Stefan?
Stefan making it look easy.
No.
I say it again, to be young again.
I know.
Holy crap.
Oh. Yeah, Victor should have been here.
Yeah, Vic, you should have been here.
Good job. Don't get in that man's way.